Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. That's right, we have over 40 acres that we can secure your vehicle overnight, for the month, for the year. We have electric fences, security guards, checking you in, checking you out. We'll take care of everything you need. Call me for details. We'll definitely take care of you. And now I am super excited to introduce you to our 2006 GMC 3500 Sierra dump truck. This rig has the amazing 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine with only, get this, 42,000 miles. Yep, that's right. This is a low mile dump truck. Come and get it while you can, folks. Used dump trucks can be hard to find. That's why we don't have them very often. And then finding them in the right condition is even harder. But we've combed through, found this one, checked it out. It checks out well. We've inspected it, serviced it, and we have this sucker ready to go for you. This rig has a hydraulic hoist. If you need to know how much it'll lift, then you're going to be lifting too much. Don't ask. And it has an 8-foot long bed on it. You tell me in the comments what the capacity of that is in yardage. I don't know, but I'd love to hear your comments. This all steel body has removable wood sides, and the rear gate will fold down like a truck bed or fold up when you're dumping, whichever way you need. And stay tuned for the bloopers at the end, because I got something funny to show you today. And of course, I have sped this video up because this body is super slow to raise, super slow to lower, but you understand how it is. And if you did notice, this truck does have a snow plow attachment up front. Not sure how it works. I've never dealt with one here in Oklahoma, but I'm sure you can figure out how it works. The flooring in this flatbed is in very nice condition. No rust through holes, no major pitting. Overall, excellent condition. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this dump truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing if that's something you're looking for. If we can help you with financing, just down here below, we have a soft pull credit app. It won't ding your credit. Fill it out, send it to us, and we'll be happy to get back with you on what we think we can do for you today. And taking a look here in the cab interior, you don't get much, folks. You have seating for 3, you have a cold air conditioner, you have a radio, seat belts. That's about it. But you have a dump truck, so that's all you need. Don't complain. And moving on from the cab interior, we're going to take a look at the mighty GMC V8 Vortec gas engine 6.0 liter. Folks, you can't get better than this. This is the gold standard. Call me, ask me why. This is the only engine you need. This is the only engine you should want. It's simple. Anybody can work on it. It'll last forever. We love this product. Don't forget, we also offer delivery nationwide, and we have some very nice warranties available. Well, my name is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business. Okay, there's 2 sets of latches for this tailgate. You can unlatch the top part to fold it out like a traditional pickup truck tailgate, or you can unlatch the bottom part and to make it dump. I didn't know any better, and I unlatched all 4 latches at the same time, making this tailgate fall. Worst of all, I did it twice. So hopefully now you know what not to do, folks.